Prepare a square-shaped paper. Color according to your choice. Fold into a half in a triangle shape. Fold again in a smaller triangle shape. Again, fold into smaller triangle. Fold into much smaller triangle. Draw a little curved line. Cut on the curved line. Open the paper. It will appear as a circle. Draw lines at the fold marks. Start cutting on the lines, making 3 groups of 5 triangles each. Now start making cone using each pieces. Next, prepare origami for ice cream top part. Fold into a triangle shape. One more time, fold into smaller triangle. Open, stand and fold on its 4 sides as shown. Start coloring on your flavors. Staple the cone to make it durable. You also can use glue. Roll the top part with a pencil. Insert the top part into the cone. You can decorate the cone if you want. Thank you for watching!